You've probably seen Pi Network pop up. It's been making waves across social media and generating quite a buzz. Maybe it was from a friend's invite, a post you saw online, or perhaps an ad that caught your eye. It's hard to miss the conversation surrounding Pi Network these days. At its core, it's a cryptocurrency you can mine directly on your phone, which is a pretty unique concept. And the best part? No need for expensive, power-hungry hardware. You also don't need any specialized tech know-how to get started. It's designed to be incredibly user-friendly. That's precisely why tens of millions of people have already downloaded the app, eager to explore this new digital frontier. They're hoping to get in early, positioning themselves to potentially benefit from what could be the next big thing in the crypto space. The core appeal of Pi Network lies in its accessibility. It aims to be a cryptocurrency for everyone. All it takes is a simple tap of a button each day, and you're actively participating in the network. What's also interesting is that Pi's founders hail from Stanford PhD programs, adding a layer of credibility to the project. Their stated mission is to build the world's most inclusive cryptocurrency and, ultimately, a global digital economy. They envision a thriving peer-to-peer marketplace where Pi can be used for transactions. The founders argue that Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies have over time become too exclusive, often inaccessible to the average person. Pi Network is presented as their answer, a cryptocurrency designed specifically for the masses, emphasizing inclusivity and ease of use. For several years now, users have diligently been collecting Pi coins through the app. However, it's important to note that these coins currently have no official monetary value. Everyone is eagerly awaiting the launch of the open Mainnet, the next crucial step in Pi's development. This is the point where trading of Pi coins could potentially begin on cryptocurrency exchanges. The project's relatively slow progress and the long wait for the Mainnet launch have inevitably fueled a great deal of speculation within the crypto community. The big question on everyone's mind is Pi Network poised to become the next breakout cryptocurrency success story? Or is it simply a clever experiment in community building and decentralized digital currency? As we move into mid-2025, the hype and anticipation surrounding Pi Network seem to be at an all-time high. The big question that looms large for everyone involved: will this extended wait ultimately pay off for those who have invested their time and energy into the Pi Network? Or, when all is said and done, will it turn out to be nothing more than smoke and mirrors, a fleeting illusion in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency? Let's break it down and take a closer look at the Pi Network to understand what's really going on. So how does this whole Pi mining thing actually work on your phone? Let's break it down and see what's really going on behind the scenes. First, you'll need to download the Pi Network app, which is available on both iOS and Android. To get started, you'll need an invite code from an existing Pi user. This helps to build trust and security within the network. Once you're in, all you have to do is tap a button once every 24 hours to keep mining. It's a pretty low-effort commitment. But here's the thing, no actual mining as you might think of it is happening on your phone. Your phone isn't crunching complex algorithms, solving math problems, or draining your battery like with traditional cryptocurrency mining. It's far less intensive than that. Instead of proof of work, Pi utilizes the Stellar Consensus Protocol, which is a more energy-efficient method. That daily tap you do is essentially just proving that you're a real, active human user on the network. It's a form of validation. As more and more people join the Pi network, the amount of Pi you earn per tap gradually decreases. This is designed to incentivize early adoption. Those who got in early receive a higher mining rate, rewarding their initial belief in the project. You can also boost your individual mining rate by inviting trusted friends and family to join your security circle. These security circles help to secure the Pi network by creating a web of trust, making it more resistant to malicious actors. Beyond the basic mining function, there's also a chat feature within the app, as well as a dedicated browser for accessing testnet applications. These testnet apps include games, online marketplaces, and various other utilities that are being developed within the Pi ecosystem. In these spaces, Pi is already being used as a form of currency, albeit in a testing environment. The overarching idea is to foster a thriving real-world economy using Pi before it's even listed on public cryptocurrency exchanges. It's a very simple concept to grasp on the surface, but there's a surprisingly complex and rapidly growing ecosystem of developers and users working behind the scenes to build it out. The best part? No money is required to get started. All it takes is your time, a bit of personal information during registration, and that daily tap. The core promise of Pi Network is the potential for a shot at getting in on the ground floor of a new digital currency with almost zero effort required on your part. But the big question remains, is Pi Network actually legitimate? Let's dig a little deeper and find out what the potential risks and rewards are. Is Pi Network real or a scam? The answer isn't black and white. On the plus side, the team is credible, the app is free, and there's no upfront investment. Millions have completed identity checks, and Pi has moved through several development phases. But after years, Pi still isn't tradable on open exchanges, raising eyebrows. Critics say it's just a data grab or a referral scheme with endless promises and little payoff. Supporters point to a thriving community and real barter transactions within the app. The truth? Until Pi is openly traded, its value is all speculation. You're trading your time and data for a shot at future value. Some see potential, others see a waiting game with no end in sight. Faith and skepticism are both part of the story. The verdict is still out. How does Pi compare to other crypto-earning apps that are out there? It's a fair question to ask, especially when you're considering where to invest your time and potentially your resources. Let's break down the key differences and similarities to give you a clearer picture. With Coinbase Earn or Lolly, you get real crypto, actual, tangible cryptocurrency that already exists on the market. Bitcoin, Ethereum, the big names in the crypto world. You can earn these by learning about different cryptocurrencies or by simply shopping online through their platforms. Faucets and play-to-earn games give you tiny amounts of existing coins, often fractions of a cent at a time. However, they often require more effort, like completing surveys or watching ads or even upfront costs, such as purchasing in-game assets. Pi is different. It's effortless, requiring minimal input from you on a daily basis. But the crucial difference is that the coin has no guaranteed value yet. It's still in development and its future worth is uncertain. The pros? Zero financial risk. You're not putting any money on the line. It's also incredibly easy to use, with a simple interface that anyone can navigate. And it boasts a massive global community, connecting people from all corners of the world. The cons? Uncertainty, as the value of Pi is yet to be determined. There are also data privacy concerns, as with any app that collects personal information, and currently there's no way to cash out, yet. You can't exchange your Pi for other currencies or fiat money. With Pi, you're not earning established crypto. You're not getting Bitcoin or Ethereum. Instead, you're betting on a new one, hoping that it will eventually gain value and be widely adopted. It's a lottery ticket in a sense. It's not a guaranteed paycheck or a reliable source of income. For beginners who are just starting to explore the world of cryptocurrency, Coinbase or similar apps that offer established coins are generally safer bets. But if you're curious and have a bit of a pioneering spirit and want to join a social experiment to be part of something that could potentially revolutionize digital currency, Pi is unique and offers a different approach. High risk, maybe high reward, the potential is there, but so is the uncertainty. Or maybe just a story to tell, a chance to say you were part of something from the ground up, regardless of the financial outcome. Ultimately, the choice depends on your appetite for risk, your level of patience, and what you're hoping to gain from the experience. Let's wrap it up and move on to the next topic. So, is Pi Network worth your time in 2025? If you want quick money, look elsewhere. There are no guarantees here. But as a zero-cost experiment, it's intriguing. You spend a few seconds a day, share some data, and join a massive crypto community. The risk is minimal. The potential reward is uncertain. Treat it as a hobby, not a job. Download the app, tap the button, and see what happens. If Pi takes off, you're an early adopter. If not, you've lost almost nothing. The experiment itself is worth watching. Now you know what you're signing up for, so the choice is yours.